Keep Kern Roads Clean program is a terrific way for you to make a visible difference in your community. Hi everyone, I'm Mary Beth Garrison with Community Clean Sweep, and I'm here to say thank you for being a part of this important project. Keep Kern Roads Clean is designed to make Kern County a cleaner and more pleasant place to live and work. And with more than 8,000 square county miles, we have our work cut out for us. Safety is job one when it comes to keeping our roads clean. This short safety video will acquaint you with some of the rules of the road. Each group must conduct a safety meeting to review our safety sheets. Every participant must view this safety video and sign a safety form before participating in the program. You must clean your chosen roadside at least 4 times a year, more often if necessary. Besides the sense of pride your group will feel enhancing the appearance of your community, the name of your group will be identified on a Keep Kern Roads Clean sign displayed near your roadside. Children can help, but they must be at least 10 years of age or older and must be under adult supervision at all times. They must also comply with all requirements of the program. One person should be chosen as a crew leader to ensure safety rules are followed. The crew leader should also take the lead in organizing your cleanup days. Crew members should be in good health with good sight and hearing. They must always be alert and use good judgment and common sense. Road traffic travels at high speeds, and most drivers don't expect to see crews working along the roadway. So every member of the team must work hard to be and stay safe. The following do's and don'ts of the program will keep you and your team safe. Work during daylight hours. Post a person to look out for traffic dangers. Wear heavy gloves and closed-toed shoes or boots with good ankle support. Wear a hat and shirt with sleeves to minimize sun exposure. Sunscreen lotion is recommended for sunny days. Have a refresher session on safety awareness each time a crew goes out. Avoid overexertion and drink lots of water, especially on hot days. Wear your yellow safety vests at all times. Be prepared to move out of the way of vehicles in an emergency. Don't work in bad weather, especially when there is poor visibility and wet or icy roads. Don't leave minors alone in vehicles. Don't wear headsets. Never walk out onto the roadway to pick up trash. Work more than 6 feet from traffic. Or let an adult pick up the trash near the road. Don't pick up dead animals. Call Kern County Animal Control to take care of this problem. Be very careful when handling sharp objects. Make sure only adults pick up glass. Don't pick up syringes or hypodermic needles. Instead, report your findings to the Kern County Roads Department. Don't try to move heavy or large items. Instead, place filled bags near the object for pickup. Don't remove unknown or suspected toxic substances. If something looks suspicious, don't touch. Notify the Kern County Roads Department, the local sheriff's substation, or call 911. Remember, all workers should wear yellow safety vests, heavy gloves, and use our bright yellow Keep Kern Roads Clean trash bags while working on the roadside. Carpool to the site to reduce the number of vehicles on the roadside. All vehicles should be parked well off the right shoulder and on the same side as crew members. All occupants of vehicles should exit and enter the vehicle on the same side, opposite to the traffic. Work only on one side of the roadway at a time. Knives, matches, axes, and so on should not be carried by crew members. Don't overfill or compact trash bags because of the danger of injuries from broken or jagged objects. Keep crews together for better visibility to motorists. In case of an emergency, keep a first aid kit handy. Know the route and be familiar with a nearby emergency room. Make sure one individual has a cell phone available for emergency use. Relax and have fun. That's it. If someone you know is interested in becoming a part of the Keep Kern Roads Clean project, have them give us a call at 661-862-8850. We'll get them set up. You know, it really doesn't take much time, just your commitment to clean up a stretch of county road up to 4 times a year. We supply the gloves, the vests, the trash bags, and we'll even pick up the trash after you're done cleaning up. Now you can't beat that. Keep Kern Roads Clean. It's a great way to be the change you want to see.